G'day everyone, we're back making bread again, and this time it's the Mediterranean tomato from risen flour that we're going to be making. It's their bread mix, and it has in it wheat flour, semolina, herbs, tomato powder, garlic, salt, and the normal enzymes. To do this, we're going to use 500 grams of the bread mix, 7 grams of good old risen flour yeast, 290 grams of water, and that's it. We're going to throw it into our bread maker, do it as a nice crusty loaf, I think, and we'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned for the taste test. We'll just put it all together. And remember, from their hint, water first. In goes the flour. Oops, spill it everywhere. And in goes the yeast. Come over and have a look at the bread maker. We haven't shown that running before. It's a pretty standard bread maker, but see how we set it up. So all we do is we lock it in place, and we did make sure that our stirrer was in there. Close the lid. We've got a menu for basic French, whole wheat, etc. all down here, 12 different sorts. We've got a loaf size, which we need to change from 800 gram to 650, and we will do it as a dark loaf because I think this undercooks it a little bit. And that'll be ready in 2 hours and 53 minutes. And then all we do is we go start. End of story. We come back in 2 hours and 53 minutes, take it out, let it cool a bit, and then we'll have a taste. Hang about for that one. So there it is, nicely golden, ready, golden, but it's cooked. So I'll just pop it out, get it out on the rack, make sure I pull the little stirrer out, and we let it cool for a while. Doesn't that look good? Well, here it is, and there is definitely a tomatoey odour. Things I will note is it's not a crispy crust, it's quite a soft crust actually. But we'll slice some off. Definitely smell that herb. It's quite red, light brown, very soft. And I think having it on the darker cycle is worthwhile. Very light, quite moist. I think it's expanded really well. So now we'll just pop some marge on it because our buffer's too hard. Having this with our roast lamb for dinner tonight. Why are you licking your chops, dog? All right, let's chop that up into pieces so we can all have a shot. And here we go. Quite chewy. You've got to wait. I wouldn't say the garlic and tomato is overpowering. It's there, but it's quite mild. Definitely not overdone. Wait. It's very nice. Is it my favourite one so far from risen flour? Nope. African one was going to take a lot of beating. So, camera person. Has a hint of tomato, but it's definitely not overpowering, is it?
I love it.
Do you?
Really nice.
Oh, good. As I said,
tomato, herb flavour.
yeah, there's definitely a hint of herb there.
I really like it.
Good. Is it a do again?
Yeah.
Okay. So we haven't found a bread so far we didn't like, except you didn't like the rye sourdough. Well, there we go. Mediterranean tomato bread mix from risen flour. Another success, I think. I still prefer that African. That African blend is absolutely amazing. But also a really nice bread. Let me know in the comments if you've tried something similar. If you've got a recipe from scratch, it'd be nice to try it out from the very beginning. But you can have some in a minute. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden. Here you go. Oh yes, dropped it, you silly dog.